Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I am going to show you how you can add drop down into your Excel file. So keep watching. So friends, first of all, I'm going to open my Excel software. So simply I'm going to type Excel, and this is my Excel 2019, and this tutorial will applicable on 2013, 16 and 19. So friend, first of all I am going to create new blank worksheet. So here this is my worksheet, and first of all I'm going to add over here months. For example, this is Jan, Feb, and these are my months. And here this cell I want to display these months into drop down. So what I will do, first of all you select the cell where you want to add as a drop down this list. So select this cell and click on this data tab which is available on menu tab. So here click and select data validation. So click this data validation drop down arrow and select data validation. So here you can see data validation settings. Here you can see validation criteria. Select this into list, and whenever you select list it will ask you for source. These names are the source. So click over here and select all the names of the cells. So this will select and click here OK. So you can see this drop down arrow which is available, and whenever I click here, so you can see these are the list which is available over here. So friends, here I am going to give you two tips that will help you whenever you create this drop down. So first of all, you can copy this drop down anywhere in Excel, and second thing, whenever you create this drop down you're not able to directly add any name over here. Whenever you're trying to add any name over here, that will show you error like this. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about this news tutorial. And friend, if you have any query or question, you can comment me below in comment section, so I will give you the answer about your query. And if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel so you will get latest tutorial like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.